Hi guys, good evening. May gusto lang po akong i-share sa inyo. Sabi sa Matthew chapter 20 verse 28, just as the Son of Man, Jesus, did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give His life as a ransom to many. Me myself, as an example, I tend to be entitled. I tend to be offended by a lot of things. Na dapat ganito yung trato sa akin, dapat ganito yung word na sinabi, dapat ganito, dapat ganyan, dapat di niya ginawa yung ganito. Just by at the end, thinking and realizing that even Jesus did not come to be served by other people. Rather, He came to this world to serve. So as me, as a person, instead of entitlement that can cause pride, if I need to remove self-entitlement, I need to remove all the prides, putting other people first before me. Katulad ng ginawa ni Jesus, servant leadership. So just a message for me and to share it to you guys, to be servant leaders that serve other people, not the other way around. Always put other people before us. That's one of our mission. Be a servant leader, put God first, remove self-entitlement, serve other people. Yun lang.